Hi, I'm Litvarski and I'm going to play High Stuntman on the Amiga. This was released by Codemasters in 1991 as a budget title, and this is a vertical shooter. This is an absolute gem of a game, so very underrated, and I rate this as the third best vertical shooter on the Amiga, just behind Battle Squadron and Hybris, which are real classics themselves. So this is quite a tough. Starts very tough, and you have to fight for your power-ups to get some possibility to make it in this game. Oh shit! That was stupid. Now I lost my power-ups and things are much more tough now. But once you do get your power-ups to a reasonable state, then this becomes much easier. Well, not much, but a bit. So you notice that I get power-ups by destroying this big ship, and he gives this one here. Destroying it gives one of 4 power-ups, I think. So there are more bullets by each shot. So we started from 2 and we get up to 5. Then there's the fire rate and invulnerability, extra life, and smart bump. Smart bump you use by pushing the space bar. The most important is that in this game is to get to the 4 or 5 bullets per shot and a decent fire rate. So at the moment I got those. That's a extra life. So the screen will be full of enemies, and if you don't have decent firepower, then this definitely is too hard. But now that I got already 5 bullets at a time, this is much easier. So I didn't get a new power up. Oh, damn it. So this is end of level boss. It's easiest to use smart bombs here, if you have them at the moment. You can run out of those, of course. So in second level we used a helicopter, which is completely the same, just looks different. The game does get harder in the level 2, which is a good thing. So these guns, some guns which appear will shoot. Oh damn it! They will shoot two different. No way. Oh, now I'm screwed. I have to use smart bombs. So as I was saying, some guns will shoot you with two different homing missiles, which make life quite difficult. Oh, didn't notice that one. Not going too well this time. Have to get that gun. Okay. 4 bullets, but I need some fire rate also. So I'm not in the clear. Fortunately, I've got many smart bombs left. Have to use those. Again. It's a better fire rate anyway. So definitely a very well done game. There's enough variety in the enemy patterns, and it's clear that they are challenging enough. Oh no! Oh shit, just missed it. Well, now I'm screwed. Oh. So this is quite not well-known game, even though Amiga Power gave it 84%. This is a very high score. Definitely a recommended game if you haven't tried it. And if you have tried it, then play some more, of course. So, thanks for watching.